Hello astrology lovers, welcome to Astro Basic, the first place to learn astrology. I am Jayant Kumar and I'll be your host for today's session from Astro Basic channel. So far we have seen about introduction of Vedic astrology, then planets, then their planets and their strength, then their properties, and we have seen how their two planets are friends. So today we are going to discuss about combustion of planets. Means when one planet is coming very close to sun, I mean the strength of the planets which is coming to close to the sun, they are not able to show their full strength. The reason is, you can see the sun is having high, because that is the only star we have in our solar system, and we are telling that as planets in our horoscope analysis. Because the reason is there are a lot of people asking me questions, how can sun can be the planets. So the reason, the astrologer, our sages has told about the definition of planets, anything which is moving, they are telling that as a planets. And when they were calculating their position, because the sun, even though we are on the earth and then we are calculating like Jupiter is in Leo, Jupiter is in Taurus, like that. So like that sun is also we are positioning. So they decided on basis of that, because sun is representing our soul, so that is also men who is influencing that. So in astrology they considered as a planet. So don't go like nitty-gritty of that, like why sun is like a star, why they are considered as a planet. So the reason, because anything which is moving, they have considered that as a planets. So sun, because it is brightest, it has more light, means it has only light, and when any planet is coming very close to that, so due to light of the sun, or due to impact or heat or energy, whatever you say, due to that the other planet is not able to show their strength as compared to when they are not very close. So when the planets get combust, here is the example. So when moon is coming within 12 degree, so suppose if sun is like 5 degree and if moon is less than 17 degree, so when that happens, so moon is combust. Likewise, when Mars is within 17 degree, Mars is combust. When sun and Mercury both are like within 13 degree, so Mercury is also considered combust. But if Mercury is retrograde, then within 12 degree it is considered as a combust. Jupiter, when it is 11 degree, then it is considered as a combust. Venus, when it is 9 degree, it is considered as combust. But when it is retrograde, Venus is retrograde, then within 8 degree it is considered as a combust. Saturn, within 15 degree, it is considered as a combust. So we have seen when planets get close to that particular degree, then it is considered as a combust. But just for learning purpose, you remember that planets get combust and their strength get reduced. But when I will discuss more, then I will let you know, like when Mahadasha, Antardasha, Pratyantardasha comes of that particular planet, even though they are combust, they have the strength to give the result whatever house or the place where they are sitting. So we'll discuss it further, but for learning purpose, in initial stage, you just remember when any planets come very close to the sun in particular degree, like how I describe, so it get combust. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe below or a small YouTube tiny icon, and don't forget to like my Facebook page as well. And if you have any question about this topic or your life, you can go to my Q&A section of my website www.astrobasic.com, and you can ask your questions. And if you need more information about this topic, please visit my website www.astrobasic.com. So thank you, see you in next video, bye bye. Basically there are two methods. One is like Naisargik friendship method, and second one is like Tatkalik or temporary friendship method. So we decide friendship on basis of both method, and then we conclude using both method, then we conclude final result